Do you have a buyer who's unable to physically get to a showing appointment? No problem. You can request to schedule a virtual showing from one of two places: from the button bar in a Bright search results window, or the Showings menu in ShowingTime. Navigate to the Schedule a Showing in ShowingTime from under the Client menu and clicking My Showings. Once you're on the New Activity Request window, confirm the listing and profile details. If you're scheduling a single showing, the next window will allow you to select the date and time for the appointment. This is the Verify Appointment Details window. As a showing agent, this is where you will select Virtual Showing as the appointment type. Take another moment to confirm listing and appointment information and choose Yes. Your request has now been sent for review and confirmation. You can return to the Showings I Have Requested screen to monitor or change the showing request. Once an appointment is confirmed, you can return here to view any showing instructions, appointment details, and everything else you'll need for the appointment. And for agents who choose email as a notification preference, ShowingTime will email you everything you need once the request is confirmed. And that's it. Happy showing. For more tips and tools, visit support.brightmls.com.